Hello friends, have you ever wanted to make new friends but don't exactly know how? Here's what the top psychologists say to do to build long-lasting and healthy friendships, because friendships can do wonders. According to top psychologists, good friends bring a rainbow of happiness into your life by relieving stress, providing comfort, and removing loneliness. Additionally, healthy friendships are associated with improved cardiovascular health, lower blood pressure, less depression, and a longer lifespan. Therefore, it never hurts to make new friends. You may make new friends if you volunteer. People who collaborate frequently form strong bonds. Volunteer at a community center, charitable organization, hospital, museum, or place of worship to meet new people. Attend a class. Enroll in a course at the local college, senior center, or gym. Learn German, a new dance, or a card game. When you are passionate about a topic, you are likely to find others who feel similarly. Find a local group where people who share your interests regularly meet. Consider joining a book club, religious organization, parent meetup, music group, or biking club. Join a social circle. One of the easiest ways to meet people is to surround yourself with people who have large friend groups. You may already have people in your life who have many friends. Join them when they extend an invitation. Request introductions. Make the first move and initiate a conversation with a new person. Look regionally. You may be surprised by the number of events occurring in your community. Consider perusing the local newspaper and community bulletin boards. Check online for local listings. Search for your city's name plus social network or meetups. Making friends online. It may appear easier to make friends online because you can find people with similar interests from all over the world. Online friendships may feel more comfortable for introverts. However, if you don't live nearby, it is difficult to meet or hang out in person, and online friendships may become unbalanced, with one individual having a stronger emotional attachment than the other. How to begin a relationship. Friendships require time, but you can take steps to initiate and maintain a connection. Start the conversation. Start a conversation when you're with someone you'd like to get to know better. Share something about yourself. Similarly, allow them to speak about themselves. Smile. Make eye contact while smiling. Smiling while maintaining eye contact will have a positive effect on the other person. They will feel more at ease and engaged with the conversation. Show enthusiasm. Even if you've just met someone, you can make them feel at ease by asking pertinent questions and being an attentive listener. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage them to reveal themselves by using phrases such as "tell me more." Say yes. Accept an invitation to a gathering or event when extended. Return the favor by extending an invitation. Invite a friend or acquaintance to coffee or lunch through your own initiative. Make the first move. You do not need to wait for someone to initiate contact before taking the initiative. Become the kind initiator, even if you are an introvert. Share. Try sharing small but more intimate details about yourself as you get to know each other. If you're open with them, it gives them permission to be open with you. But don't go overboard. Take things step by step. Do a small favor. Small acts of kindness frequently result in intimacy and bonding. It doesn't have to be big or obvious. Even a small gesture can generate positive feelings. Keep it going. When you meet someone, exchange numbers. Call or text them later on. Inquire if they would like to meet again. Remaining in contact is essential. What not to do. Avoid these frequent errors. Don't brag. A boast creates a negative impression and can be off-putting. Don't alter your identity. Don't act differently just to be accepted. Always be yourself, genuine and honest. Don't be too aggressive. Overly assertiveness may turn people off. Ease in with friendly conversations before you suggest meeting up for coffee or a run. Don't expect results right away. It takes time to develop a strong relationship between two people. Do your best, but keep your expectations low. According to research, it may take 10 to 15 conversations to feel like a friend. How to know when you're friends. These are indicators of a new friendship. You feel at ease and natural around them. The other person starts taking the initiative and calls or messages you. You are not hesitant to share or perform in their presence. You respond to them with compassion, and they reciprocate. First, there is the becoming stage, where they demonstrate they value your connection by doing something. They begin to text you or extend an invitation. You ultimately become hangout buddies. Then, over time, you maintain consistent communication and feel like true friends. We hope you enjoyed this video on friendship. We sincerely appreciate all of you and your encouragement for our new channel. If you can like and subscribe, that would be awesome. Have a wonderful day and try making a new friend today.